Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, grilled chicken salad, a modern salad with grilled chicken, lettuce and optional dressing. How to make. Ingredients, chicken, 400 grams. Lettuce 1 large bunch, cherry tomatoes 100 g, cut in half, cucumber 1 fruit, sliced or diced, onion 1/4, thinly sliced, chicken marinade salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, optional, olive oil 2 tablespoons. Dressing sauce steps to make marinate and grill chicken. Wash the chicken, drain. If using thick chicken breast, you can cut it in half horizontally to make the meat thinner and cook evenly. Mix the chicken with 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt, pepper and dry spices, garlic powder, paprika. Marinate for at least 15 minutes. Preheat the air fryer. Place the chicken on the grill for 6 minutes on each side, depending on thickness, until the chicken is fully cooked and golden brown. Remove the chicken from the heat, let it rest for 5 minutes, then slice or tear into bite-sized pieces. Wash the lettuce and other vegetables, drain completely. Tear the lettuce into bite-sized pieces. Have the cherry tomatoes, slice the cucumbers. Put all the vegetables in a large bowl, keep in the refrigerator to stay crispy. Mix the dressing. Mayonnaise with lemon garlic, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/2 minced garlic clove, salt, pepper. Mix well. Serve and enjoy. Place the vegetables on a plate, arrange the sliced grilled chicken on top. Drizzle the dressing over the salad. Garnish with nuts, sliced almonds, walnuts, or grated Parmesan cheese, optional. Enjoy immediately while the chicken is still warm and the vegetables are still crispy. Notes: after grilling, it is imperative to let the chicken rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This helps the juices in the meat redistribute evenly, keeping the chicken tender and juicy. Drying vegetables. Vegetables need to be completely dry before mixing. If there is still water, the dressing will be diluted and will not adhere evenly to the vegetables, reducing the flavor. When to drizzle dressing, only drizzle the dressing right before serving and mix lightly. If you drizzle it too early, the acidity/saltiness of the dressing will cause the lettuce to wilt and become mushy. Note on dressing: depending on the type of dressing you choose, the calorie count will vary. Vinaigrette dressing is often a healthier, lower-fat option. Add color. To make the salad more attractive, add colorful ingredients such as yellow/red bell peppers, purple chard or shredded purple cabbage. Grilled chicken salad is the perfect choice for those who love healthy and convenient cuisine. This dish is a delicate combination of fragrant, perfectly cooked, naturally sweet and juicy grilled chicken, along with fresh and crunchy lettuces, usually romaine lettuce, lolo lettuce, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and other vegetables. The soul of the salad is the dressing, with many variations from light vinaigrette to creamy Caesar dressing, making the dish not only delicious but also nutritious. This is a complete meal, ideal for days when you need energy but still want to stay in shape. Sincerely thank you for your support. Don't forget to watch the upcoming videos to learn more new dishes.